Your little friend, the balls, are sitting next to you.
Is that a frog? No? I think it is. No.
Yay! You got your very own little table and chairs. Look at that.
You look like you're all ready for summer now.
Yeah.
You got sandals, your table, your chairs.
I want to see him walk in those sandals. I want to see you walk in those sandals. Can you do it? Let me see you walk in them.
I'm enjoying this chair too much.
Yeah. This thing, the package says from age 3 to 6.
Oh.
It's a little small for age 3
I
to 6.
was gonna say, I would like to see him sitting up these 6.
Yeah. Oh, let's try this one more time.
Oh.
Now that he has a...
Could probably get him some juice.
And he says, put it right here.
There.
Uh-oh.
Here. Oh, that's a good idea, Katie.
Here. Oh, how about you eat your food? Take a bite. Nom, 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 nom. You try it. That's yummy. No?
Oh.
Okay.
Where are we gone?
Hey, pull out your four-wheeler. You want to show Grandma and Grandpa how you drive your four-wheeler? Come on!
Let's see.
On our own.
Put your foot up. Both feet.
Put both feet up.
Oh, it moves?
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go.
it
Now
right
push
there?
the button.
No, but he almost hit Raymond's mom's car with it.
Almost did it.
It did hit
Oh.
me.
All right. That's pretty cool.
Oh, watch where you're going.
Hold on. Put your feet here and there.
There he goes.
There you go.
Uh-oh.
Oh!
Yeah, turn the other way too, pal.
Go.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
See ya!
Bye.
See you later!
He's dreaming of that mud puddle.
He
Boy, it'd be
is.
fun to go through
Yeah,
that.
he was dreaming of that before his nap. I took him for a walk.
Oh,
And he's looking up, ooh, the puddle. I see the puddle of it, but you're not allowed to play in it this morning.
turn! Turn!
Turn this way.
There you go.
Straighten out. Yep.
Oh,
there
boy.
we go. Good
Yeah.
job.
No,
No,
keep
keep
coming.
going.
There you go.
No, good job.
Good job.
Oh.
No, uh-oh.
He's thinking about running through those trees
Yeah.
too.
Come on, Katie, let him go.
Come here, not looking at me.
Oh. He's showing them a video of you. Who's that guy?
Hey.
Yeah.
Is that Everett?
Can you say Everett?
No.
No.
What? What's up?
Everett is
Can you
up
say
now.
hi?
You're so cool. That's how I say hi.